Introducing TrimQUIK, the world's first electric tractor trimmer designed for use on John Deere Subcompact tractors. TrimQUIK makes quick work of string trimming tasks like clearing weeds in organic, regenerative orchards, along long fence lines, and around ponds. Attaches to quick attach brackets, uses 56-volt batteries and a commercial-grade motor. Has a stainless steel shaft and replaceable trimmer head. The sturdy steel base plate and shaft support are powder-coated in John Deere green, and TrimQUIK utilizes a low-cost trimmer head with .095 string. Uses your tractor loader controls to adjust up, down, and tilt dot, and the handheld trigger is used to control trimmer head speed. TrimQUIK's forward-looking view allows you to clearly see the trimmer head and your surroundings. TrimQUIK is fully functional in both forward and reverse. And there's no need to look backward to see a PTO-driven trimmer. No more sore necks. Call, text, or email us today for more information.